Let's start off our figure skater warm-up. First, we have neck rolls. Lean your neck to the side, bringing your ear close to the shoulder. I'm going to roll my head along my collarbone forwards and then to the other side. Remember, never extend and look upwards because you can strain your neck this way. Next, we have arm circles. Reach your hands up to the ceiling and back as far as you can, and in front as far as you can. Keep the arms extended. Start backwards, 5 reps, and then go forwards. We have a combo move now. We are going to bring the knee to our chest and hug just below the knee around the shin area. So thigh is close to the chest. Keep your balance over the standing leg. Now bring your foot behind and grab your foot to your bottom. The thighs will be together and knee points to the ground. This is a good way to warm up your alignment. Remember, your posture is key. Stand tall to hold on to your balance. And you can also put your standing arm in front to help with stability. Now let's warm up the hips, important for jumping in figure skating. Foot in front, foot in back. Keep the upper body nice and stable. Core tight. And try to stay as stationary as possible with the upper body. Now we are going to do side leg swings, again warming up the hips and the thighs. Try to use your muscles to move the leg instead of momentum, and try to increase your range of motion with each swing. For our squat, our feet are shoulder width apart. We're going to drive the hips back and try to get the thighs to parallel, just like a sit spin. The knees stay over the toes, they never track past, and keep your head up, chin up, and chest up. Then I'm going to fold forward. Keep a soft bend in your knees. Lift your bottom up, flat back. You should feel a nice stretch in your hamstrings. This is a great exercise to help us bend and get ready for jumping and skating skills. Let's lunge. Step forward, front knee is over the foot. Get low and your back leg is going to extend from hip to toe. I'm going to plant both hands at my instep. Twist to the side, reach for the ceiling, stretch your arms, open up that rib cage. Think about the torso and the obliques working and twisting. Great way to warm up your hips and warm up your upper body, getting your body ready to check and twist. Remember guys, this is dynamic stretching. We always do this before exercise and activity. So we never want to hold evenly stretch for too long like static stretching, which is done after exercise. So think of each movement being about a 2 to 5 second hold. Now we have side lunges. Take a wide step. Sit your hips back, kind of like you're sitting on a chair behind you. Chest up. And we are going to sit in that knee. The leg is stretched out, knee straight. Now let's warm up our ankles and get ready for jumping. We're also going to warm up our legs, calves, and glutes. So I'm rocking up to my toes. Think about rocking up to your toe pick. And then I'm going to go back to my heels. You should feel a nice stretch in your calves when you're going back to your heels. While the foot is on the ground, make a circle with your ankle. I go both ways and then repeat on the other foot. Remember, this is a dynamic warm-up, so we are getting our bodies ready to skate. I'm stepping forwards, I am jumping, and with this jump, I am thinking about rocking up to the ball of my foot. My hip is pulled up, my knee is straight, my posture is up. For a bit of a lower impact, you can do this stationary and just rock up to the front of your foot and hold. Lastly, we have Grapevines. Upper body is square, facing forwards. One foot in front, one foot in back. Try to be nice and light on the front of your feet. And we're going to aim for quickness.